This is an Ellis Mowers and More product review. Interested in buying this product? The link is in the description below. Have a product inquiry or a home, garden, or automotive product or tool to review? Email me, ellis@ellismowers.com, or reach out on Instagram and Facebook at Ellis Mowers and More. And as always, like and subscribe for more product reviews and small engine content. On today's product review, we're looking at this product from Tooenjoy. This is a door step. Pretty ingenious thing. What this does is it hooks to your where your door latches, front door, rear door, whatever, and this wheel setup, comes down and you put it all, just put it right on there. It shows you the steps here on this box. 180 kilograms max weight. It says 5 seconds to set up, which is crazy. Hardly any time at all. So it's got the protective pads here. Here's where you hook it into your door. It's collapsible. You can put both feet on it, and what this allows you to do is you can reach up to the roof of your vehicle, which can sometimes be a little bit difficult to do on these taller SUVs and trucks. And this right here, you can just pop in the car. Again, it's not very big at all, and you can just, whenever you need to get on the roof, pop it in there. You can use it to get up on the top of your vehicle. So let's take it out there to one of the vehicles. I'll show you how it works, and we'll see how well this Tooenjoy Car Step works, and how we can use it in practical scenarios. We'll show you how this works real quick on the truck. So your vehicle may be more upright like this truck is, or it could have more of a slope like a lot of sedans and a lot of rear doors on SUVs. So what you do, it comes like this. Obviously it's collapsible. So what you do is you get the hook above this, and then you can hook it in like this. You see how we've got a little bit of a slope here? So that is like, say, if your door frame comes in, like on a lot of sedans and the rear doors of vehicles. Now there's another way to do this, and that is to get it, there's a hook. There's like multiple different areas right here, and there's a hook. So put it at the top of the hook, is that right? Yeah, so if you put it at the top of the hook, what it'll do is it'll make it so that this is now 90 degrees whenever you have a door that is flat like that. So that's pretty ingenious. So that's how it's universal fit for all vehicle doors. More upright doors, and then if you have more of an angled door that comes out like this, you can see that angle would allow this to be more straight. But on this truck, we're going to use the vertical scenario, and I'm just going to set y'all back a little bit and just show you how easy it is to use and get onto your vehicle. So this truck's pretty tall in itself. Reaching the top of this is a little bit difficult, as you can see. So what we'll do is, I'm going to set y'all back a little bit more here so that y'all can see me. I'm going to just hop on it, get in the truck. I have to get on the bottom step to get on this car step. And then you get on the car step and you're good to go. So I can reach almost all the way across this vehicle. I feel fairly sturdy. Again, it comes in right there where the door is, and the door itself supports the step. So that's really nice. Again, up to 180 kilograms, which is a lot of weight, and it should work really well for what you may need it for. Say if you're tying down kayaks, you're loading a roof rack up with anything, cleaning the top of your vehicle. You can use it in a lot of different ways. So I wanted to thank Tooenjoy for letting me try this car step out. It's very small, very handy, and it'll work for your vehicle. So with all the different ways that it is. Wanted to add, this is all metal construction as well, so it is fairly sturdy, and it's not going to bend very easily or break or really weather over time or get brittle. So thanks again Tooenjoy for letting me try this product out, this car step. I'll catch y'all on the next product review.